In mid-2025, Tolmar began our Microsoft Fabric journey, partnering with Adastra. Within a few weeks, we took data from a dozen source systems and over 500 tables and ingested that in the Fabric's bronze layer. Using Adastra's metadata-driven ingestion framework, data was onboarded quickly and at scale. Then, for the silver and gold layers, we leveraged Adastra's AI-accelerated Data 360 solution. What had otherwise been manual source-to-target mapping became documents automatically converted into PySpark code and stored procedures. This dramatically reduced development time and, just as importantly, ensured consistency and quality across domains. In under 2 months, Tolmar had production-ready reports combining multiple business domains, something we didn't have before. These Fabric reports combine manufacturing, quality, and inventory data. What's exciting about this is we now have a unified governed data model, cross-domain visibility, and no more Excel stitching or manual consolidation, drastically reducing the effort to use this data for decisioning. Next, Adastra recommended adding a data agent on top of Fabric. We felt it was important to enable our business users to ask natural language questions directly against this governed enterprise data without needing to navigate to dashboards or reports. This is quickly becoming one of the most impactful capabilities for the business. As you can see, our business experts ask their questions using natural language, making it much more friendly and comfortable for them to interact with the data, providing faster insights to trusted, governed answers. What we're currently exploring is how to further extend these capabilities using Microsoft Fabric IQ and Graph to codify the ontology layer and the natural language query capabilities. So for the first time, we are now connecting inventory data from our ERP, quality control data from our lab information management system, and other data. So for instance, we can now, by selecting a single inventory lot, instantly see which products are under testing, what the current testing status and results for a given product or lot is, and estimated testing timelines and delivery dates. This allows teams throughout our business to identify risk early before it impacts production and supply. This is critical for our business and mission of improving patient outcomes. The relationship using Fabric IQ also works both ways. We can start from a test result, enabling users to see which products and inventory lots are affected. So what has changed for Tolmar? With Microsoft Fabric, we've been able to unify formerly siloed data, accelerate delivery, marrying our Fabric data platform with quickly emerging AI technologies, enabling natural language analytics, connecting quality and manufacturing inventory domains allows us to proactively protect patient supply and deliver our business outcomes. That's the power of our partnership with Adastra using Microsoft Fabric. We've been able to turn data into decisions at speed.